Hello, aspiring traders. I just thought I'd drop this to you. Drop this for you. Look at it. I don't know. A lot of traders, newbies, and not just newbies, the struggling traders too, because I call them struggling traders because a lot of traders have been years in the game for a long time, over 10, 5 years, time like that frame, and they're still losing money, right? Why? Because of a simple trick. A lot of traders do not know the when, the how, the what to trade. You got to know the when to trade, what to trade, and how to trade it. So the when is easy, right? When to trade. Is the when? Yeah, sure, when. Sometimes the market, it's just not the right time to trade. When is it the European opening time or the American opening time or the Asian markets? Which market do you want to trade? Most market seasons are choppy. Then, if you know the when, you want to know when all these markets match together when the volatility is on, right? So that's the when. Now, the how. I'll keep the how for the next video. But the what? The what is what instrument? Some instruments tend to trend and certain instruments tend to just range band. Mhm. Every instrument has its characteristics. If you don't know that, I'm sorry. So if you don't know the when, the what, the how, then you definitely just throw money on the table. You got to know these things: when to trade, what to trade, and how to trade. Three key points that a book will never teach you. And if you miss this, no matter what school, what background, what coaching you go, what classes you've taken, I'm sorry, you throw money right off the table. Get your when, your how, your what right, and the rest will come to you. It's a wrap for Just the Way